think it's gonna be that. Can you show me what it looks like? Some wheat toast, you want some coffee? I got some apple juice for me. And then there's ketchup here for hash browns.